Hello everyone, my name is Natasha Lisa in PM 244-11145. I'm from Faculty Economy and Business, Prodi Management. Consumer and Producer Surplus Market Efficiency Analysis. This document explores consumer and producer surplus concepts in economics. It examines their definition, calculation, and impact on market, efficiency, and welfare distribution. Consumer surplus, definition and calculation. Definition: consumer surplus in the extra benefit consumer receive when paying less than their maximum willingness to pay. It represents the difference between the highest price consumers will pay and the actual market price. Calculation: the calculate consumer surplus subtract the market price from the maximum willingness to pay graphically. It's the area between the demand curve and the market price line. Significant: consumer surplus measures consumers' welfare and market efficiency. Higher consumer surplus indicates greater consumer benefit and potentially more efficient resource allocation. Producer surplus, definition and calculation. Definition: producer surplus is the extra benefit producer receive when selling above their minimum acceptable price. It represents the difference between the market price and the lowest price producers would accept. Calculation: the calculate producer surplus subtract the minimum acceptable price from the market price. Graphically, it's the area between the supply curve and the market price line. Significant: producer surplus measure producer welfare and market efficiency. Higher producer surplus indicates greater producer benefit and potentially more efficient production. Graphical representation of surplus supply and demand curve illustrate consumer and producer surplus visually. The area above the market price and below the demand curve represent consumer surplus. The area below the market price and above the supply curve represent producer surplus. Total economy surplus. 1. Definition: total economy surplus is the sum of consumer and producer surplus. It represents the overall benefit to society from market transaction. 2. Maximization: total surplus is maximized at market equilibrium. This point represents the most efficient allocation of resources. 3. Policy implications: policy makers often aim to maximize to a surplus when design economic intervention. This goal with goods they seize on tax, subsidies, and regulation. Change in surplus price fluctuation. 1. Price increase: consumer surplus decreases as consumers pay more. Producer surplus increases as producer earn higher revenues. 2. Price decrease: consumer surplus increases as consumer pay less. Producer surplus decreases as producer earn lower revenues. 3. Net effect: the overall impact on the surplus depends on the magnitude of change in consumer and producer surplus. Taxation: surplus analysis helps assess the impact of taxes on consumers and producers. It informs policymakers about potential deadweight losses. Subsidies: evaluating consumer and producer surplus change goods subsidy decision. It helps determine the distribution of benefit between market participants. Price control surplus analysis reveals the effect of price change and fall. It illustrates potential market innovations resulting from these interventions. Conclusion importance in economy analysis. Consumer and produce surplus concepts are crucial for understanding market dynamics. The profit insight into welfare distribution and resource allocation efficiency. These tools help economic and policymakers evaluate market outcomes and design effective intervention. Sekian dari saya. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.